Okay, so this is first jobbing that we have, which is for the associate tier 1. Okay, so company name is Basa Basa Tapai is the company name. Okay, so if you want to get hired as a L1 SOC, you can drop your CV on this mail ID. Okay, if you get selected, you'll get reward back. Right now, let's start. So next one is DevOps, right? DevOps engineer. This is for the developers people. Okay, it won't. So just read it out. Actually, it's more into cybersecurity. We are just writing a opening for cybersecurity. But if you're in DevOps, just check out this URL. You can drop your mail ID. You resume. These are a couple of requirements. So just do accordingly. Firewall SME. This job role is for experienced folks. Okay, so this is for the experienced folk. Okay, so it is a Bangalore based job, and it's kind of full time. Okay, and it's for firewall. Alto Palo, Panorama, and FortiGate is required. There are a couple of responsibilities which will be assigned to you: manage and configure firewall, set up troubleshooting. Okay, resolve firewall, keep system updated, network support, and there are a couple of requirements as well. Strong experience with FortiGate. If you feel like you can do, just drop your resume on this mail ID. Right. Second is malware analyst. By again, malware analyst is okay. So malware analyst is right now there's a lot of companies looking into. So just try to update yourself in the malware analyst domain, right? Which is more into reverse engineering, all those things. Yeah. So just try out to check out the code. So coding is important, right? So BTech, BSc, MS, MCA is required. Minimum 1 year of experience required. Up to 6 years of experience if you have, you can get hired. Okay, you might get hired because this company is getting very less resume. So just give it a try. Right. So this is what they have. They live his job. The next is cybersecurity VAPT consultant. It wants 3+ years of experience, right? And minimum 3+ years of experience should be there. Mobile app, API network experience should be there. OSCP will be plus point. CH has that's well and good. 45 days of what you say, right? Notice period. Okay, it's a Mumbai based job and associate software testing. And this is mail Ankita dot Jadhav at rsmindia.in. Right, so guys, this is something very good. Okay, if you want to join as a intern in a ISRO, right? So this is something good for you. Okay, this is a link. Okay, vssc internship.vssc.gov.in /HRDD login, right? So guys, just check out this URL if you want to work in ISRO. Okay, there are a couple of stories which I don't want to share with you, which is bit of little confidential. But a lot of interns that we had in the previous days got a very unique opportunities from ISRO after completion of their internship, right? ISRO, DRDO. So this is something from where you might get something ऐसे जगह जहाँ पे तुम सोच भी नहीं सकते. So just apply it if you want, right? So that's all for today. Thank you very much.